What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am Zammy, and today I am going to be sharing with you guys how to make any person's skin a little bit skinnier, darker, whatever. But this tutorial is about how to make someone's skin into any color. It can be a little bit more white, dark, whatever, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do that. So as you can see, I have this person, this man here, and in my opinion, I don't think it looks good. I think he needs to be more skinnier. So what I want to do, go to layers, remove this lock chain kind of sign, this, go to select, and then color range. And then as you can see, we have all of these different options here. Go to select, click on this, and then go to skin tones. Not all these red, yellow. Go to skin tones. And what will Photoshop do is that it will detect like all these skin tones, and then you can also decrease the fuzziness. You can see. Let's go for about here. And everything looks good. So now let's click on OK. And as you can see, all of these skin tones that this guy has now been selected. Now we are going to go back to layers, click on this half color, whatever, click on here and click on solid color. By doing that, as you can see, his face has now been very black. As you can see, let's now change this by making this white. Okay, we want our guy to be skinny, but if you want any photos skin to go black, then you can go with black, but for now we are making this skinny. We are going to click on OK, and now what we're going to do is go to this normal option and then click on screen. As you can see, now it just looks like complete chaos. Now you can also and now we can decrease the fill. As you can see, it's now 100%. Now decrease it. As you can see, the more it decreases it, the more the man's skin gets more skinny, and then there we go. There we have here. It has definitely been more skinnier. I'll go like 30%, 32% I'll also go. And as you can see by the difference, it has definitely changed. The guy's face has now been lightened just like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see some more videos, some more Photoshop videos like these, please comment below, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So now, bye, and see you on the next video. And also subscribe, please.